Part 1 to how you make money online. We're going to go into digital and affiliate marketing. Digital marketing is where you're actually using social media, different platforms, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and you're actually posting to drive traffic to your product, to your service, whatever you're doing. Affiliate marketing is where you're actually promoting somebody else's product. Most of the time, you're getting anywhere from like 5, 6, 25%, 35%, depending on the product, depending on what it is. Both are forms of marketing where you're actually going to post on social media, use your influence, be able to direct people or drive people to your site, to your website, wherever you're going to have them buy your products and services. If you're an affiliate marketer, you actually need to post a sentence stating that you are an affiliate marketer and you are making a commission off of any sales. So especially if you have a blog, Pinterest, you always need to make sure that you're putting that little line at the beginning or the end that you let people know that you are actually making something off of their sale. When I first started, I really liked the idea of affiliate marketing. It seemed kind of easy because I didn't have to make my own products or services. I could actually find products that I like, then I could actually promote them and I could make sales on them. Personally, I found it harder to do affiliate marketing, especially being new. I started from scratch, started from zero. I didn't have any following. When you don't have a following, who are you promoting to? I decided to go into the realm of digital marketing. With digital marketing, you make 100% commission. I decided to go into digital marketing where I could actually have a product that has master resale rights, meaning that I can actually take that product and resell it for 100% commission. This is perfect for somebody who's new, who doesn't want to spend the time making new products, new services, testing them in the marketplace. Do you realize how many products actually fail, how many courses fail when people are first starting because they have to be tested as part of that process? But if you're selling a product, marketing a product that you actually has been tested and that you can then believe in and you can actually share with other people, you will see success. So personally, I prefer things that have 100% commission that's an actually high in demand product. I personally sell 4 high in demand products that I get 100% commissions on. They're actually in different price ranges, so it actually will help people in different levels wherever they are in their lives. And of course, with whatever they're trying to do. So both digital and affiliate marketing can work for people. It just, like I said, affiliate marketing works a lot better if you already have a following, then you have people that you can actually market to. The thing is if you start with digital marketing, you start with selling products or services that say have master resale rights, like I like to do. It makes it easy to sell, turn around and make 100% commissions. You develop your email list. Email equals income. So when you're doing digital marketing, that email list is gold. And once you have an email list, then you can also begin doing affiliate marketing and other things to develop other streams of income. So make sure that you stay tuned. I'm going to be sharing more information. So next is part 2, breaking down how to post on social media to reach your perfect customers.